Hello everyone, this is Len from Hook and Yarns. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. So for tonight, I will be showing you how to do the half double crochet. Here are the materials we are going to use. Hook, yarn, scissor, needle. Okay, so let's start. Make a slip knot. Then we make a foundation chain. 2, 3. After we make a chain, first step is yarn over, then skip 2 stitches, insert the hook to the third chain from hook, insert and pull up 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the loop, then pull up 3 loops. Try again. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, then pull up 3 loops. Okay, let's try until the end. Okay, last. We make the second row. Chain 2, sorry. Then turn. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull up 3 loops. Then, ganun lang siya. Ganun yung half double crochet. So, practice na kayo guys. Madali lang. Once na natutunan nyo lahat yung mga stitches, marami na kayong projects na magagawa. Okay, one more row. Chain 2, turn, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull up 3 loops. Sana nasusundan nyo. Ulit-ulitin nyo na lang yung video kung medyo mabilis. So, next video is double crochet naman. Tapos, siguro sa fourth video, gawa tayo ng simple project. Using the stitches na mga naturo ko na previously. So, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Next